amazing. Oh. This is the greatest sandwich I've ever made.
Is it glowing?
You guys want some?
It's cool, man. I know you want to eat the whole thing, and I'm cool with that.
Thank you. Magic Man!
Magic Dog! I'll take some sandwich.
You stay away from that woman. My sandwich.
Yeah, I could do that. Or, wait.
Sandwich! Miko! Magic Man! My sandwich!
That's a good-looking sandwich.
What are you gonna do with it? Something gross?
It's got my germs, so it's mine now.
No!
10 arms!
Give it back, you animal!
Look, if you really want your sandwich, you'll have to solve my little riddle. When your face shows 720, when green leaves turn brown, the only way forward is down. Then you'll see, the wetter, the better.
That's not even a riddle. It's wordplay at best.
You try and come up with something on the spot, it's hard.
Ow!
Now to savor the moment.